Hello, this is Molly from Lessons by Molly. I'm here today to show you a literacy center activity that you can have in your classroom with first graders, maybe second grade as well. This center is for counting syllables in words or pictures. There are a few materials that you'll need before you set up the center. You'll need some old envelopes which have stamps on them so that the children can see that envelopes are stamped. You'll need some stamps for the children to use, and you'll need a box of 100 envelopes. I purchased this box recently for under $1. To set up your center, you'll need to write 1 syllable, 2 syllable, 3 syllable, and maybe even 4 syllable words on the envelopes. 1 word per envelope. I'm going to write the word cat on this envelope, and I'm going to write the word lettuce on this envelope. And on my third envelope, I'm going to just draw a picture of a butterfly. After you have all of your words or pictures written on your envelopes, you're ready to set up your center. You will want to ask your students to write their first name on the flap of the back side of the envelope in order to hold the students accountable for the work that they've done or their time in the center. Another optional piece of material that you could have is a little mailbox to go in your center that they could put the envelopes in. And what the students are going to do is they're going to stamp the envelopes according to the number of syllables. So butterfly has 3 syllables, so I'm going to stamp it 3 times. And you can see that that one fell right out. So we'll try another one. 1, 2, 3 for butterfly. Lettuce has 2 syllables, so 2 stamps. And cat has 1 syllable for 1 stamp. That's it for now. Bye.